She pull up, hop out, then she swerve. Do your two-step, your little catwalk, make it work. Make it work, Jill dance, make it work, strike a pose. Make it work, Jill dance, make it work, strike a pose.
I pull up, hop out, then I swerve. Do my two-step, my little catwalk, make it work. Make it work, Jill dance, make it work, strike a pose. Make it work, Jill dance, make it work, strike a pose.
Do your dance, girl, dance, do your dance, girl, dance. Is it me and you, or is you with your friends, girl?
Hi guys, welcome back to Miss Shan's Shorty Recipes. Thanks again you guys for joining me for yet another quick and easy recipe. Today's recipe, we're going to go ahead and make a quick and easy version of a staple dessert. We're going to go ahead and make a quick and easy blueberry cobbler. So these are the ingredients that we'll be using today to make this flavorful, quick and easy blueberry cobbler. This is going to be more like a biscuit style cobbler, but it's still going to be just as tasty as any cobbler you may have had. So hopefully you guys are ready for today's recipe. If so, please go ahead and leave me a thumbs up. Also, drop me that comment down below. Share this video out, appreciate that. And if you haven't subscribed, go ahead and hit that subscribe button and that bell to be notified of every time I drop a new video. So let's go ahead and get started. Okay guys, so here is a quick and easy blueberry cobbler that you can whip up in no time. The ingredients were very few. You can use fresh berries or frozen berries, it doesn't matter. But the flavors of blueberry are throughout the cobbler. This is more of a biscuit style cobbler, which means you do get more crust than you might get in your average cobbler. And in this case, it is a nice, fluffy, and delicious sweet crust that accompanies that blueberry flavor so well. Here I just went ahead and put some whipped cream on top. Of course, you can go ahead and serve it with a nice scoop of vanilla ice cream. That would be tasty as well. Definitely give this one a try. You can whip it up in no time. It's simple and delicious. So hopefully you guys did enjoy today's recipe. If so, please go ahead and leave me a thumbs up. Also, drop me a comment down below. Let me know if you've had a delicious blueberry cobbler before. Share this video out. Definitely appreciate that. And if you aren't subscribed, go ahead and hit that subscribe button and that bell, please, to be notified of every time I drop a new video. You guys take care and thanks for watching. Bye, guys.